I wanted to share this candle set with you. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. It's a very pretty box. It will make a great gift. Oh wow, it smells very good. So it comes with a card, and on the back you can write to and from, and you can add the name of the receiver and your name. So here's the candle holder, and this color, whitish color, is freesia and pear, and it has sweet and refreshing scent. And this is the lavender scent. It smells like you're on the field, covered with lavender. This dark pink is rose. It's a classic smell. I love the smell of roses. Sweet persimmon and coriander. A herbal and a fruity blend. How unique. Jasmine and orange. Very exotic. Grapefruit and green orange. How citrusy is that? Light a candle, close your eyes, and transport in a faraway land with all these candles.